love almost touched the sky.
I know you gonna dig this.
Remember days when I was writing as a youngin'. I used to struggle with verses, now I kill it like it's nothing. See, this is what I do, this is all I've ever wanted. And when I'm dead and gone, I just hope I'm not forgotten. I've made some bad choices, and I say that being modest, but worry about today because tomorrow's never promised. I've been catching record, now my name is catching stone. I'm a hungry ass dog, but I'm just trying to get a bone now. Your grind is minimal, the shit you spit is typical. My grind is fictional, the shit I spit is biblical. This shit ain't even difficult, I murder every syllable. I've been trying to tell you I got bars just like a criminal. I'm in this game and I ain't never ever gonna leave. How much I gotta tell you just to make you believe? If you think you can't fly, homie, give it a try. Cause now I'm so high, I could almost touch the sky. Everything ain't what it seems, but your future's what you make it. They say you can't have it, bet you better fucking take it. I'm hoping that you know this and I'm hoping that you see this. I was rhyming in the womb, busting lyrics as a fetus. I'm on a different level, you ain't even coming close. And I'ma stay up on that level till my body's decomposed. I'm getting closer to my dream with every other letter. In schooling these MCs like I was a professor. It ain't all about the pleasure, it's all about the effort. Because you have to pressure just to get to better weather. I'll go to any measure, I'm doing this forever. But I pray I'm not alone, we could do this thing together. I'm in this game and I ain't never ever gonna leave. How much I gotta tell you just to make you believe? If you think you can't fly, homie, give it a try. Because now I'm so high, I could almost touch the sky.
I love